kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Habakran cekilat pathai kubor ha kabayedei bat kajing klat ka kong pinche bare kabalaja ha ka sautari ujilio ha MCH Hospital u Deputy Commissioner ka West Jante Hills u Abhinav Kumar Singh ulapentip pakalas dang bun teli kajing Tohkit ban pentikna ya kajing shisha ban pentikna ya kajing Tohkit ka bahok kadai shisha kajing ja ka basosi ban pentikna ya kajing kho jing suba bat kajing bam sha liang ngila Thaw ya ka Komiti kaba saungot ki dikhot ban pelong ya ka jing Tohkit ka babanya Halor kani ka kam ya kani ka Komiti on kle da ka Additional Deputy Commissioner ka kong B bla ka District Medical and Health Officer ka West Jantia ka Dr. P Shilla bat ka Dr. Gynecologist bat Pediatrician na East Jante Hills labatha ya ka Komiti balayalam da ka ADC ban IT ya ka Kaipot ha ka janmiat jong ka khandai tarik ujliu 8000 apusan ha ka jo kapor ulapentip ba ka Superintendent ka MCH ru kalathaw ya ka Internal Committee ban bishar banya ya ka ni ka kam kumjo ka kanhon na Directorate of Health Service bayalam da Joint Director kalapelong ya ka jing Tohkit balatlut da ka ba pensyong nong rim ha ka jing lap jong baro ka jing Tohkit on sa shim ya ki lat kilanti ki babyang laong UDC.
An unfortunate death of a lady by the name of Pinche Bare, who is from Jalafet, East Jante Hills. What has been reported that she has passed away on 4th of June at 9:30 p.m. in MCH Hospital, Jowai. How the sequence of event which has been informed by the superintendent of MCH is that on 2nd of June, or that is on Monday, she was admitted in Sutanga CHC. She had initially a complaint of bleeding. On 3rd, that is Tuesday at 12:42, she was admitted to the Jowai MCH Hospital on the recommendation from the previous health institution. It was told that by the medical officer that she was not taken any food. She could not take any food because of certain complications which have developed. And then on 4th, 6th, she was seen by a consultant and reviewed. At 2 p.m. her condition was stable. At 5:30 p.m. there was a pain in abdomen on 4th, that is yesterday, and she was shifted to a high dependency unit. Technically for high dependency unit, she was under constant monitoring of a medical officer. At 6:20 again the pain was there, which has been recorded. At 8:10 on 4th of June, her condition was started to deteriorate. Then after multiple set of things, it was reported at 9:15, it was declared that she passed away. So this is the sequence of event which has happened so far. An internal committee has been constituted by the medical superintendent herself also to oversee that what is the scenario and to ascertain the facts of the case. She has also to submit the report to us, which will be done later by today. Also, a team from the Director Health Services, headed by a Joint Director, has visited the MCH Hospital, which they are undergoing their own set of fact finding and inquiry, wherein they are taking the facts from the medical officers who were involved in this particular case, also from the gynecologist, the pediatrician, etc. At our level from the district administration, to have an impartial inquiry, we have appointed our ADC, Madam Bla, to head a committee which will be looking into and fact finding for what are the reasons to ascertain the actual reality of the case. To ensure impartiality, we have asked and requested from East Jante Hills for deputing the gynecologist of their hospital, also along with the pediatrician. So it would be a 4-member committee. DMHO will also be a part of it. So, and we have asked the ADC to submit the report maximum by Monday. On the basis of the report, then necessary action will be taken. To do on similar lines, once this inquiry gets concluded, we are going to chair again a meeting with regard to finding of the lacunas or the gaps which are there with regard to the MCH hospital or with regard to other health facilities also. And on the basis of that, our recommendation will be put forward.